Do you remember the first time we met?
Of course I do. You were wearing that beautiful blue dress, and I couldn't take my eyes off of you.
I remember feeling so nervous and shy, but you made me feel comfortable right away.
I knew I had to get to know you better. And now, here we are, so in love.
I can't imagine my life without you. You make everything better.
I feel the same way. I want to spend the rest of my life with you.
Really? You mean that?
Absolutely. I've something special planned for us tonight. Something that will show you just how much I love you.
Oh, I'm going crazy. I can't wait.
You know, I still remember when you hold my hand in the dark unintentionally.
That moment is one of the most amazing memory of my life. I don't think so. I can forget it ever.
And what about that incident? When you were in any kind of hurry, and you bumped into me.
Oh yeah, dear. How can I forget that? I was about to slap you, but when I looked at you, you were seeing me with loving eyes. So I forgot everything.
Well, this is the perfection of my beauty.
Don't be too cocky.
No sugar plum, I'm just pulling your leg. You know how I like to have fun with you.
I can't believe how lucky I am to have you in my life.
I feel the same way. You make me a better person, and I can't imagine my life without you.
I don't ever want to be without you. Promise me you'll never leave me.
I promise, my love. I'll always be by your side, no matter what.
I trust you, and I know we can get through anything together.
I believe that too. We make an amazing team.
And we have so many wonderful adventures ahead of us.
Yeah, we do. I can't wait to see what the future holds for us.
As long as we're together, I know it will be amazing.
I couldn't agree more. I love you, my beautiful girl.
I love you too, my handsome guy. Forever and always.